Good morning, students. Our new topic is ionization potential, which is another periodic properties. It is also called ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. In short, we can write IE. So, what is ionization potential? It is the amount of energy required to remove electron from an isolated gaseous atom and convert it into positively charged gaseous ion. That it is related to the amount of energy required to remove electron from the last orbit. You can see this is the metal which is in a gaseous state. When energy is given to it, which is the ionization energy, then it changes into gaseous ion, and electron is also removed at the same time. Now ionization energy or potential depends on two factors, which is atomic size and nuclear charge. So it depends on atomic size and nuclear charge. Greater is the atomic size, lesser will be the ionization potential, and greater the nuclear charge, more will be the ionization potential. It is due to the reason that when the size is greater, then the outermost orbit is too far from the nucleus, and so the electrons are loosely held with the nucleus, and less amount of energy is required to remove that electron. Whereas when the nuclear charge is more, the force of attraction is very strong, bringing the outermost orbit very close to the nucleus. As a result, the electrons are also strongly held with the nucleus, and it requires large amount of energy to remove it. Now we are going to see the variation of this ionization potential while moving across the period and while moving down the group. Now across the period, since we know that atomic size decreases, thereby making the force of attraction very strong. Will also bring the outermost orbit very close to the nucleus, and so the large amount of energy is required to remove electron. So on moving across the period, ionization energy increases. But when we move down the group, in this case the atomic size is increasing, and so the outermost orbit will be very far from the nucleus. At the same time, electrons will also be loosely held, and a less amount of energy is required to remove that electron. So the ionization energy while moving down the group will decrease. While moving down the group, it is decreasing. You can see the value of ionization potential is taken while moving across the period. We find lithium having the least ionization potential and neon having the maximum ionization potential or the most ionization potential. Same is the case, lithium having the most ionization potential 520, whereas cesium, because of its greater size, it has got the least ionization potential, that is 373 kilojoule per mole. You should also know one thing, the unit of ionization potential is kilojoule per mole. One thing, so in the whole periodic table, helium has the highest ionization potential and cesium the lowest ionization potential. Our next periodic property is electron affinity. In short, we can write EA, and its SI unit is also kilojoule per mole. Now electron affinity is defined as the amount of energy released when an isolated gaseous atom gains electron to convert into gaseous ion. So it is related to the amount of energy released when any electron is added to an atom. We have one example like chlorine. When gains one electron, it changes into chloride ion, and at the same time some amount of energy is released, and the amount of release here is 349 kilojoule per mole. Now, as ionization potential, it also depends on atomic size and nuclear charge. Greater the atomic size, lesser will be the electron affinity, because since the atomic size is greater, the force of attraction will be less, and as a result electron cannot be added easily. So electron affinity will also decrease. Whereas on increase in the nuclear charge, the force of attraction increases, so electrons can be easily added to it, and so the electron affinity increases. We can see the trend while moving across the period and down the group. In period, we have second period with the elements lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So you can see on moving towards the right side, the electron affinity increases, because we know when we move towards the right across the period, the atomic size decreases, so there will be a very strong atomic nuclear charge or nuclear pull. As a result, electron can easily be added, and a large amount of energy will be released, that is electron affinity will be more. And down the group we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Since the atomic size increases, electron cannot be added so easily, so we can say that electron affinity will decrease. So in the whole periodic table, the most electron affinity element is chlorine. Sometimes the question is asked from it, the most electron affinity element is chlorine. So we can stop here. Your work will be to learn ionization potential and electron affinity. Till then, thank you.